Hello students, now I am going to explain the second chapter in your poems book, that is The Cold Within. Cold within means the jealousy which is inside in humans. It is not a cold which is outside, it is a cold which is inside us, and this cold is known as jealousy. Now we are going to explain the poem which is given in some stanzas. Now stanza number 1, 6 humans trapped by happenstance. Now the poet is talking about the 6 human beings who suddenly trapped somewhere. Happenstance means by chance. In bleak and bitter cold means in unpleasant cold suddenly they stuck or trapped. Each one possessed a stick of wood. Every one of them was having a stick of wood, or so the story is told. Like this the whole story will be explained. So फर्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट में या फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में पोइट ने क्या बताया है कि मतलब 6 ह्यूमंस थे और वो सडनली कहाँ पर बिटर और ब्लीक कोल्ड में फंस जाते हैं. लाइक दिस द होल स्टोरी इज़ एक्सप्लेन्ड. नाउ स्टेंजा नंबर 2, they are dying fire in need of logs. At this time what they needed actually, they needed logs का मतलब है कुछ लकड़ियाँ. They are dying fire in need of logs. They needed few logs to continue the fire, but the fire one held hers back. But the first one held hers back. But what did the first lady do? She holds herself back. यानी कि उसने अपने आप को पीछे खींच लिया अपने हाथों को. That means she was going to put his logs into the fire, but she suddenly holds her back. For of the faces round the fire, she noticed one was black, because she noticed that the person who is sitting beside her having a black color face. Just because of the color discrimination, she did not put her log into the fire. And because of putting the log into the fire, she could continue to burn the fire, but she did not do so because she found the another person was having a black color face. Now third extract, the next man looking across the way saw one knot of his church. Now the poet is describing another person. The next one looking across the way saw one knot of his church. He noticed that the person who is sitting in front of him belongs to another church. Here church means another community or religion, यानी कि वो किसी दूसरे religion को belong करता था. Therefore and could not bring himself to give the fire his stick of birch, and he was having a stick of birch tree. Birch is a kind of tree, and he was having a stick of that type of tree, but he did not put his log or put his stick into the fire just because the person belonged to another community. Now next extract, the third one sat in tattered clothes. Now the poet is describing another person, third person's quality. That person was in the tattered clothes. Tattered का मतलब है वो फटे पुराने कपड़ों में था. He gave his coat a hitch and he started giving a hitch to his coat. Hitch का मतलब है he caught his coat firmly, यानी कि tightly उसने अपने कोट को पकड़ लिया. That means he was shivering with cold. And what was he saying? Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? And he was thinking, why should he help the rich person by giving him some warm, यानी कि उसको रिच पर्सन की क्यों हेल्प करनी चाहिए, ऐसा वो सोच रहा था. That means he was also disliking the rich person, therefore he did not help that person. Next extract, the rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in his store. On the other hand, the rich person was thinking about the wealth he had in store. यानी उसके पास जो wealth थी वो उसके बारे में लगातार सोच रहा था. And how to keep what he had earned from the lazy shiftless poor. And he was continuously thinking to keep the whole money he had earned safe from the lazy shiftless poor. That means उस लेज़ी और शिफ्टलेस पुअर से, यानी कि उस लेज़ी पर्सन से उस पैसे को बचाने के बारे में वो लगातार सोच रहा था. नेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट, व्हाट हैज़ बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड. द ब्लैक मैन्स फेस बी स्पोक रिवेंज. अनदर पर्सन वॉज ब्लैक मैन. Another person now has been described. The black man's face bespoke revenge. He was full of revenge. यानी कि he was बदला, continuously thinking how to take revenge, यानी कि कैसे बदला लिया जाए. As the fire passed from his sight, however the fire was going to be put off, but he was still thinking about to take revenge. For all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spite the white. And now the color discrimination has been described. He was continuously thinking how to take revenge from the white person. Actually, he was only in the revengeful mood and anyhow wanted to take revenge from the white person. Like this, another person has been described. The last man of this forlorn group did not accept for gain. अब ये सेकेंड लास्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट है. इसमें क्या बताया गया है, जो लास्ट मैन था ग्रुप का, फोरलोन ग्रुप, यानी कि इस ग्रुप को फोरलोन ग्रुप कहा गया है. फोरलोन का मतलब होता है लोनली ग्रुप. द पोइट इज़ यूजिंग ऑक्सीमोरोन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच हियर. ऑक्सीमोरोन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच का मीनिंग होता है जहाँ पर दो चीज़ों के बीच में अपोजिशन शो हो रहा हो, यानी वो ग्रुप भी है और लोनली भी है. सो व्हाट इज़ बीइंग सेड, द लास्ट मैन ऑफ दिस फोरलोन ग्रुप डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट फॉर गेन. ही वॉन्टेड नथिंग एक्सेप्ट फॉर हिज ओन प्रॉफिट, यानी वो अपने खुद के प्रॉफिट के अलावा कुछ नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करता था. गिविंग ओनली टू दोज हु गेव एंड ही हेल्प्ड ओनली दोज पीपल हु हेल्प्ड हिम was how he played the game. Like this, he was also playing a kind of game. Like this, all 6 characters have been described here by the poet. And because of discrimination related to color, religion, caste, they did not put their logs into the fire. यानी कि अलग अलग डिस्क्रिमिनेशन या भेदभाव की वजह से किसी ने भी अपनी स्टिक को फायर में नहीं डाला. किस जगह पर, वेयर ऑल वर शिवरिंग विद कोल्ड इन द फॉरेस्ट. नाउ व्हाट वाज द आउटकम ऑफ ऑल दैट, इट हैज़ बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द लास्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट. देयर लॉक्स होल्ड टाइट इन डेथ्स स्टिल हैंड्स. नाउ व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ देयर मिसडीड्स, दैट मीन्स देयर लॉक्स हेल्ड टाइट इन डेथ्स स्टिल हैंड्स. नाउ ऑल वर सीइंग द डेथ्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम was proof of human sin, and poet is calling it a kind of human sin. क्या था यहाँ पर human sin, कि all could help each other, but because of different reasons, jealousy, they could not help each other. Now poet is calling it a proof of human sin. They did not die from the cold without. That means actual में अब finally क्या result हुआ, they did not die from the cold without, यानी कि दे डिड नॉट डाई फ्रॉम द कोल्ड विदाउट का मतलब है कि वो जो एक्चुअल में बाहर कोल्ड था उसकी वजह से वो नहीं मरे. दे डाइड फ्रॉम द कोल्ड विद इन. दे एक्चुअली डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ द कोल्ड दे वर हैविंग इन देयर माइंड्स. एंड द लाइक दिस द कोल्ड विद इन मीन्स jealousy which they were having inside them. So like this, by explaining this poem, the poet is giving the message to all of us that we should not have jealousy. If we will show jealousy, we will also face the same consequences what the 6 people have faced. Ultimately, they all got died because of their own foolishness. This message poet is trying to give here.